Before you can eliminate a pest, you must first understand a few basics about its biology and, more importantly, its behavior. The three primary rodent species of concern to an integrator or grower are roof rat, Norway rat, and house mouse. They are often referred to as commensal rodents, meaning they have adapted to living with humans. Roof rats are, by nature, tree-dwelling rodents. They prefer to live as high in a building as possible, but will adapt if the preferred harborages are too crowded, even to the point of burrowing into earth or manure. They prefer warmer climates, but can migrate via shipping to warm confines in colder climates. In one particular study, it was found that 50% of a population never even touch the floor. Norway rats are naturally ground-dwelling rodents. They prefer to live in burrows dug into the earth, but will inhabit building voids. If the preferred harborages are too crowded, rats will spread all the way to the attic. They can tolerate very cold winter weather outdoors as long as there is food available. House mice are the most adaptable of the three. They have no preference for high or low, but they do seek warm harborages. They can do very well in attics, wall voids, burrows in earth, or in manure. Both rat species have a behavior called Neophobia, which is a strong fear of anything new introduced into their well-memorized territory. It may take several weeks for rodents to accept new bait stations or traps. Some may never accept them, in which case creativity will be needed to eliminate them. Take into factor new scents and objects that may spook your rodent population very easily. When placing new bait stations or rodenticide, patience and consistency are important. Your Liphatech representative can further explain this to you if needed. All three species are very prolific breeders. Mice generally become sexually mature at about 2 months of age, while rats reach sexual maturity at about 3 months of age. For all three species, the gestation time for a litter of pups is about 3 weeks. A female can mate and become pregnant again in as little as 24 hours after giving birth. It takes about 3 weeks for a litter of pups to become weaned and ready to be on their own. Their reproductive rate can easily outbreed insufficient baiting programs. Adult house mice eat about 1/10 of an ounce of food per day. Rats normally eat 1 to 2 ounces of food per day. If you do the math, 1,000 mice or 100 rats can easily eat over a ton of feed per year. Rats and mice are prey animals near the bottom of the food chain. Therefore, they avoid being out in the open any longer than necessary. They are unlikely to run past food sources to get to a rodent bait station. Over the centuries, rats and mice have acquired behaviors which help them survive. They shy away from unfamiliar food, move about at night, stay in the shadows, and avoid new things in their territories. Commensal rodent colonies are segmented based on the strength or dominance of the individuals. The strongest and most dominant rodents get the best place to live, the strongest mates, and first access to the best food. This helps assure survival of the fittest. Weaker, subordinate rodents expand into less desirable areas. If the dominant rodents are killed, the subordinate rodents often relocate to the better harborage and status. A single colony of rats can extend several hundred feet in all directions. A colony of mice can occupy a sphere of nearly 100 feet in diameter. Therefore, there may be multiple mouse colonies in one barn and multiple rat colonies on one farm. Rats and mice have evolved into formidable foes of human beings. It will take a thorough and consistent effort to control them. For more information, contact your Liphatech sales representative or visit LiphaTech.com.